Every single year, over 1 billion tons of corn husks are burned or buried. One factory figured out something extraordinary. What you're looking at isn't garbage. This humble corn husk is about to become the packaging of the future.
Welcome inside the most satisfying factory on Earth, where billions of corn husks are transformed into 100% eco-friendly packaging.
From farm waste to finished product, here is the complete factory process. And every step will surprise you.
It all starts in the fields. Every year at harvest, corn husks are stripped in massive quantities, material that most farms consider waste. Modern harvesters strip the husks at incredible speed, millions of them every single hour, falling to the ground where they're collected immediately. Rather than burning them, the husks are collected and baled on the spot, compressed tightly for efficient transport to the factory.
These trucks run 24 hours a day during harvest season, delivering a constant supply of raw material to the factory.
At the receiving bay, each bale is logged, weighed, and inspected for quality before entering the production line.
Before processing begins, every batch is tested for moisture content. Too wet and the fibers won't process correctly. Too dry and they become brittle.
The bale breaker tears apart the compressed husks and feeds them onto the first conveyor, beginning their journey through the factory. This factory processes up to 80 tons of corn husks every single day, running around the clock.
Before any processing, every husk must be thoroughly cleaned. Powerful water jets remove dirt, pesticide residue, and field debris. After washing, the husks are screened to remove any remaining debris. Only clean, pure fiber moves forward. Air classifiers use powerful airflow to separate light fibers from heavier contaminants. Gravity does the sorting work.
Metal fragments from harvesting equipment are removed by powerful magnetic separators, protecting the machines downstream.
Vibratory screens sort the husks into size fractions. Longer, stronger fibers go one way, shorter fibers take a different path. What remains after cleaning and sorting is pure cellulose fiber, the same raw material used in high-end paper and packaging worldwide. A final UV sterilization pass ensures the fiber is completely pathogen-free before entering the pulping stage. Every batch is weighed and logged before moving forward. Traceability is critical in certified eco-packaging production. The cleaned husks enter the pulping tanks, huge vessels where heat, water, and mechanical action break down the fibers into a smooth pulp. Disc refiners break the fibers down further until individual cellulose strands are just micrometers thick, the perfect pulp consistency. At this stage, the slurry is 97% water and just 3% fiber heavy. But that thin suspension is the key to
natural plant-based binders are added at precise ratios, no synthetic plastics, no chemical glues, 100% biodegradable throughout.
The pulp flows through nearly 2 kilometers of processing pipes, constantly monitored for temperature, pH, and consistency. Every parameter is controlled automatically and monitored by engineers around the clock. Consistency is everything in packaging production.
6 massive tanks run simultaneously, each processing a different batch, ensuring a continuous, uninterrupted supply of pulp to the forming line.
At the fiber level, corn husk cellulose is remarkably strong. Gram for gram, it rivals the tensile strength of many synthetic plastics. Before the pulp enters the forming machines, every batch is tested by hand. Density, viscosity, and pH must all be within tolerance. The head box is one of the most critical machines in the process. It releases the pulp slurry in a perfectly even curtain onto the forming wire.
This is the thermoforming stage, where the pulp sheet is pressed into exact mold shapes using heat and pressure.
At 180 degrees Celsius and 40 bar of pressure, the pulp is transformed, water is driven out, and the fibers bond permanently into shape. Each mold cycle takes just 8 seconds, producing dozens of trays simultaneously, thousands every hour. The precision of the molds means every tray is identical fro. Consistent walls, consistent depth, consistent weight.
Despite being made from agricultural waste, these trays are remarkably rigid, strong enough to hold liquid without leaking.
The forming line runs continuously, day and night, 365 days a year, turning corn husk pulp into packaging with zero downtime. The factory operates hundreds of custom molds, food trays, egg cartons, bottle holders, corner protectors, any shape imaginable. The end result looks identical to plastic packaging, but it will break down completely in soil within 90 days. Look closely and you can see the individual fiber patterns of the corn husk. Each tray is unique, like a fingerprint of nature.
Robotic picking arms stack the trays with inhuman precision, hundreds of stacks formed per minute.
Machine vision systems scan every single tray. Any crack, warp, or thickness variation is flagged and the tray is automatically rejected. Even rejected trays don't go to waste. They're rehydrated and fed back into the pulp system. Zero waste in this factory. After forming, trays enter the drying tunnel, a 60-meter-long furnace that drives out the remaining moisture using precisely controlled hot air. The tunnel has 3 temperature zones, gradually increasing from 120 to 200 degrees, progressively drawing moisture from the fiber without scorching it. When the trays enter the dryer, they're about 50% moisture. When they exit, moisture content is below 3%.
In less than 20 minutes, the drying tunnel transforms soft-formed pulp into hard, rigid, finished trays.
This factory runs its dryers entirely on solar energy for view, making the entire process not just zero waste, but carbon neutral.
Moisture sensors at each zone boundary feed real-time data to the control system, automatically adjusting airflow and temperature.
At full capacity, 15,000 finished trays emerge from the drying tunnel every single hour.
Despite being made entirely from agricultural waste, these trays pass rigorous drop tests. The bonded fiber structure is surprisingly resilient. The thermoforming process creates a fiber matrix that gives the tray both rigidity and a small degree of flex, preventing brittle cracking in transit. After drying, trays pass through a cooling zone, allowing the fiber structure to fully stabilize before surface finishing begins. The finished trays receive a water-based barrier coating, a food-safe layer that makes them resistant to moisture and grease without any plastic. This coating is derived entirely from plant starches, PLA-free, plastic-free, and fully compostable alongside the tray.
The coating cures in under 4 seconds inside the infrared tunnel emulsions, instantly creating a smooth, sealed surface.
The coated surface repels water completely, making these trays suitable for wet food, sauces, and even short-term cold storage.
A contact angle above 90 degrees confirms the coating's effectiveness. Every batch tested, every batch certified.
Branding is printed directly onto the tray using water-based inks, eliminating the need for plastic labels or adhesive stickers. The inks are cured by UV light, permanently bonded to the surface, with 0 volatile organic compounds released. From the same corn husk fiber, this factory produces dozens of different packaging formats. All certified compostable, all food-grade approved.
These trays are food-grade certified, safe for direct contact with fresh produce, baked goods, and ready meals.
Before any packaging leaves the factory, it goes through an extensive quality control laboratory. 17 different tests must all pass. The stack compression test ensures trays can be safely loaded and transported, and they must withstand 40 kilograms of force without collapsing.
Even when fully submerged, the coated tray maintains its shape for 30 minutes, long enough for any food service application.
In standard home composting conditions, the tray breaks down completely in just 90 days, returning nutrients to the soil. Grease resistance testing confirms the barrier coating performs even with cooking oils, critical for fast food and ready meal applications. Unlike some eco-packaging, these trays are certified microwave safe, a critical feature for modern food retail and delivery. Cold chain packaging must survive freezing. These trays pass the Midas 18 degrees Celsius freeze test with 0 cracking or dimensional change. The factory holds 17 major certifications, including FDA, EU Food Contact Approval, and BP. In the packaging hall, robots stack and bundle the finished trays at speeds no human could match. Error-free, 24 hours a day. Each robotic arm picks and places 120 trays per minute, with accuracy down to 0.5 millimeter. Even the bundling straps are paper tensteds. This factory refuses to use plastic at any stage, including its own packaging.
Bundled stacks are automatically loaded into cardboard shipping cases, sealed and labeled by machine in seconds. Every case carries a traceable batch code, linking the finished product all the way back to the specific cornfield it came from. The factory maintains a warehouse capacity of 2 million trays, ready to ship to clients within 24 hours of order.
Finished pallets are robotically built and stretch-wrapped for protection, ready for container loading. Every night, containers leave this facility bound for 80 countries, carrying packaging that will replace millions of plastic trays in supermarkets worldwide. Each truck that leaves this factory carries enough eco-packaging to replace 200,000 single-use plastic trays, keeping them out of landfill forever. These trays are already on supermarket shelves across Europe, North America, and Asia, keeps, and the demand is growing faster than any factory can keep up with. This is the difference that matters most. Plastic packaging survives 400 years in the ocean. Corn husk packaging returns to soil in 90 days. The global packaging market is worth $400 billion, and it's shifting towards sustainable alternatives faster than any expert predicted. When a corn husk tray composts, it returns organic matter and minerals to the soil, potentially feeding the very next generation of corn crops. This facility operates with zero liquid discharge. All process water is recycled internally, and nothing pollutes the river running beside the factory.
The factory employs 1,200 people, most of them from the same farming communities that supply the corn husks. The economy and the environment both win.
The R&D team is already working on the next generation, waterproof cups, clamshell containers, and insulated cold chain packaging. Already partnered with 3 of the world's top 10 grocery retail chains, this factory has commitments for 10 years of supply debt, and they can barely build new capacity fast enough.
You don't need special composting facility. Just bury a corn husk tray in your garden, and nature does the rest.
500 million trays last year alone, and with new capacity coming online, they project 2 billion by 2027.
This farmer used to burn her corn husks after harvest. Now she sells them to the factory. Her waste earns her more income than the corn itself.
One corn husk. Worthless yesterday. The packaging of tomorrow.
While you sleep, this factory runs, quietly transforming what we throw away into something that can save the planet, one tray at a time.
Consumers are already making the choice. The question now is whether every brand will meet them there intercure or be left behind with their plastic.
This is not a concept. This is not a prototype. This is what the future of packaging looks like, and it's made from corn husks. If this factory can turn billions of tons of agricultural waste into the packaging of the future, subscribe, and we'll show you the next one.